Again, July 18, once again, July 17, 2020. Leland Hardy bringing to you live here at an undisclosed location. This is video number 4. There will be videos linked and listed and numbered. The most fluent, or some have said, most fluent Chinese-speaking black man on the planet, having graduated with honors from Beijing University's Beijing Foreign Language Institute, been an interpreter and translator, been involved with sourcing and manufacturing of materials in China for some 40 years, was Muhammad Ali's interpreter in China, and bring product in smoothly from China to the United States to help fight in the war against COVID-19. Here today, we're discussing the copious number of ventilators and other soft goods we have in support of ventilation because of the spike in COVID-19 in many states, Texas, Georgia, Louisiana, California, Arizona, etc. And here, again, this is video number 4. You have to look at the others. This is another brand of a ventilator we're discussing.
So this is a ventilator made by the manufacturer BREAS. We offer both their Vivo 65 as well as their Vivo 50. The biggest difference between the two is just the software. The 65 is the newer version. We also offer the DreamStation BiPap AVAPs from Philips Respironics. And this unit is, it is a BiPap, but it being an AVAPs unit, it can be used for non-invasive ventilation. It looks very similar to the E30 that you saw, but you remember the E30 is marked specific for COVID-19 use. But the unit looks very similar to the E30 unit you saw prior. But again, I got a few hundred of these on the ground, ready to deploy at any moment, with the potential to get more when the need arises.
And that's because of direct factory distributor relationship. So essentially, for all intents and purposes, an unlimited distribution capacity, unlimited sourcing capacity of the Philips Respironics models.
That is correct. I also have right behind you, third shelf on the green rack. I got a very small number of BiPap STs, which is another BiPap that can act in ventilation in a pinch for non-invasive needs. We also have, as we mentioned earlier, the oxygen concentrators, portable and stationary, and basically anything that you need for respiratory needs to fight COVID-19.
These are all ventilators, various types, warranted, soft goods. We have sourcing, maintenance, repair, warranty service, logistics. These are in America, ready to ship to American hospitals, cities, states, and municipalities today. Today. Oxygen concentrators for anesthesiology use. We have portable oxygen concentrators for convenient use of outpatients. We have everything you might need in the way of ventilation and the prevention of the transmission of pathogens like COVID-19, is specifically manufactured against COVID-19 as labeled. Leland Hardy bringing it to you live from an undisclosed location. Again, July 18, once again, July 17, 2020. Leland Hardy bringing it to you live here at an undisclosed location. This is video number 4. There will be videos linked and listed and numbered. The most fluent, or some have said, most fluent Chinese-speaking black man on the planet,